Hello, I'm Van Smith, managing partner here at Smith Strong, and today I'd like to talk to you about deeds and titles to your properties. I'm just back from speaking to over 200 people at Lake of the Woods Church in Orange County, Virginia. And I'm back here in our office in Richmond, and I wanted to share with you some of the highlights of that talk that so resonated with that audience. First off, if you take nothing else away, note this. If you think you have a will or trust and you're done, you are not done until the title to your property or properties is also updated with your estate plan. Full stop. So let's say that one more time. You have a deed or title to your property. Even if you have a mortgage, you have a deed or title. You may not know where it is, but it's in the court, in the real estate records of the circuit court of the county or city where you reside. A lot of people came up to me yesterday during this talk and said, well, I have a mortgage, so I don't have the deed yet. Not true. The mortgage sits on your property like a lien, but you have a deed or title. And just because you don't have a physical copy of that deed or title, we can get that for you. So you have a deed or title if you own your property. There may be a mortgage company that gets paid first when you sell, but you have a deed or title. So then the question becomes, as you are advancing in age, as you are thinking about getting your estate planning done, we need to also examine and consider options for your property. Don't let that slip through the cracks. 90% of people that do wills and trusts forget about what they should be doing with the title to their property or rental properties or investment properties. And that should be part of the dialogue and the conversation. The reason Smith Strong clients do not have that problem is only 10% of law firms do this, and that is we have, for no additional cost, a funding meeting for all of our trust and estate planning clients where we make sure after the documents are done, let's make sure we touch and cover each of your assets and make sure that the titles and beneficiaries of those are also adjusted so this plan actually works and funnels to the children or heirs that you care about. Now, let's talk a little bit about deeds. Number one, if you have just a will or no will at all and don't plan on getting a will, at minimum, we want to make sure your deed is updated to a transfer on death deed. You can still sell it during your life. You can still have full, complete control of the property until you die. If you want to end up selling it before you die, you can sell it without any issue. But if you die owning the property, it drops like a rock into the lap of the heirs or children that you designate on this updated transfer on death deed. So at minimum, let's do that. Option two, if you have a trust properly written, and we can examine your trust to make sure it is, we can also title that property to the trust. Now, what does that do? It does what the transfer on death deed does, drops like a rock into the lap of your children or heirs, but also before you die, allows your trustee to help manage the property and care for it if you're incapacitated or have dementia or Alzheimer's or in a nursing home or have a stroke. It can allow the trustee, the manager of your estate before you die, to manage that property. Critically important. Also, depending on how your trust is written, we can also ensure tax savings when the property is ultimately sold. Also, when you transfer a property from your trust to your child's trust or your children's trust or heirs trust, if they then go through a predatorial event like a divorce or a bankruptcy or creditor's issue, the inheritance they receive from you, property, bank, investment, retirement accounts, life insurance proceeds, stays with them and not half walking out the door with the divorcing spouse or the creditor or the bankruptcy creditor or the litigation. And so you spend a lifetime accumulating these assets. Let's make sure we transfer these assets with ease and then make sure as they move through before they ultimately consume them that they're protected. And they get as much as possible with tax savings through a good estate planning. And hear this, good estate planning includes examining the title and deeds to all of your properties. And so we look forward to helping you. Maybe you've already got all your estate plan done, but you want someone to look at those properties because the other attorney never brought that up. No problem. Give us a call or message us on the website, and we'll be in touch with you with easy to understand options you can discuss with your family, spouse, and heirs, and make sure it's the right one for you. We look forward to helping you. Thank you.